Hi, I'm Bruce Weens. I'm a Senior Vice President with RCS Technology. We've been a member of SARTA now for probably about 5 years, and I just got through explaining to someone that it was the best thing that we've ever joined. So I would encourage anybody to come out and join SARTA as an association.
The Tech Edge event today is fantastic. It's huge. I think it's the biggest one they've ever had. It's an amazing network of amazing people, and I can't wait to get the rest of the day going.
This is a great event. Part of what we do with the Angels is try to invest and incubate small companies here in Sacramento, and SARTA does a great job of supporting technology and the technology companies. Got to be here. Everybody should be here.
The Tech Edge event is something I'm really looking forward to. There's quite a bit of technology opportunity here in this market, and I think the best thing about this Tech Edge opportunity is the fact that all of us technical folks getting together, having a chance to understand what's coming and what's happened, and of course common networking. There's quite a few people in this market, so it is a tight-knit community. I'm more excited to be able to connect with those people again and see what's coming in for SARTA in the future.
Great attendance as always. A number of connections are being made, and we're proud to see the technology sector continue growing and want to see what happens next.
You know, I've been coming to these luncheons for a couple of years now, and the reason that I come here is just to see people that I know, meet new people, hear about what's going on in the industry, and learn about the excitement of other people's companies.
This is a spectacular event. I'm just blown away. This is my first time attending a Tech Edge event, and I was expecting about 150 people and find there are about 6 times as many. Andy was a fabulous speaker. What a vision for the future for the Sacramento tech community. It's terrific. I think there's a fabulous symbiotic relationship between what he's doing at Sacramento Kings and all of us tech CEOs here. So kudos to Meg and her team for putting this together, and I can't wait to be back next year.